In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a split transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if your footage is already prepared. This gives you access to the editing workspace where you'll be adding your transition. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. For a split transition to work properly, you need at least 2 clips placed in sequence. After importing your clips, make sure they are positioned directly next to each other with no gaps in between. This part is important because transitions are applied at the point where one clip ends and the next one begins. If there's an empty space between them, the transition may not apply correctly. Once your clips are lined up, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library where CapCut organizes different styles you can use in your edit. From the panel on the left side, click the Split category. This section contains transitions designed to create a split-style visual effect between clips. Take a moment to browse the available split transitions and look for the one that best fits your video style. When you find a transition you want to use, select it. If the transition hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your connection and system speed, this usually only takes a moment. After the transition is ready, click the plus button to apply it, or simply drag the split transition directly between the 2 clips on the timeline. Then wait for it to appear on the timeline. This visual confirmation helps you know it has been inserted in the correct spot. Now click on the transition in the timeline to open its settings. If needed, adjust the transition duration to make the effect faster or slower. A shorter duration can feel more energetic, while a longer one can look smoother, so choose what works best for your edit. When you're done, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the cut between the clips and make sure the movement looks clean and natural. If everything looks right, you can confirm that the split transition has been successfully applied. That's it. You've now added a split transition in CapCut Desktop and can use the same process to try other transition styles throughout your project.